Become an altruistic devotee. Nishkam Bhakta bano. We should believe that Bapa inspires everything in our lives. Thus, whatever object, person or event is brought before us has been inspired by Bapa. Bapa bestows great compassion upon us in order to help us achieve the Gnan Samadhi as per Vachanamrut Gadara Antya Agyar, and thus brings these to test us deliberately. In certain circumstances, we either deliberately turn a blind eye with the misconception that it is none of our business, or we adopt a totally apathetic or negligent attitude. These both indicate the existence of our ego. What we should actually do is to remain neutral and observe our own likes and dislikes. Then ask, Bapa, what would you like me to do or say? Or should I simply remain silent? I wish to act only to please you and only if it enhances my devotion to you. So, consider me your instrument and inspire me accordingly. In this way, ask Maharaj for guidance and act as inspired by him. Otherwise, remain positive, cheerful, and engrossed in God. When faced with worldly desires or great trials and tribulations, how do we react? Do we remain unperturbed by such circumstances and carry on with the service and devotion to the Lord regardless? In order to award us the experiences which will ultimately bestow upon us qualities of an altruistic devotee, Nishkam Bhakta, Bapa arranges such events and circumstances. We should believe this and thank him for his compassion. Bapa, thank you. Grant me the strength to remain ever alert and aware. And rejoice. One who constantly remains in a state of spiritual equanimity has achieved the supreme consciousness of remaining submerged in the abode of Lord Swaminarayan, known as Akshardham Nisamadhi. He is easily able to receive inspiration from Maharaj and utilize his physical self in the service of the Lord. Having successfully accomplished this, he re-establishes the Akshardham Nisamadhi and analyzes whether the service carried out was according to the wishes of Maharaj. Thus, he takes satisfaction in having been utilized by Maharaj as an instrument. He proceeds to sterilize his physical and spiritual self and prepares to receive any other inspiration from the Lord. In this way, he remains an altruistic devotee as per the Vachanamruts Gadara Antya 11 and Gadara Antya 2. Diversity in unity. Vividhata ma ekta. Every ekantic brother and sister shall have his or her pattern and method of leading or taking his or her followers to the position of Brahm Swarup. Presently, Bapa has acquainted us with many such accomplished Swarups, which include Santo, Beno, Yuvako or Grasto, who are known as Vijricheva Santo. They are all tasked with the mission of taking their followers to the supreme status, as mentioned above, and do so in their own divine yet unique way. Some Swarups will grant their followers wishes with respect to worldly desires, whilst others will strictly deny them. However, both techniques will ultimately achieve spiritual progress for the followers in question. Maharaj has acquainted each follower with the most appropriate Swarup for his needs and whose techniques are in harmony with the nature and requirements of that follower. Thus, everyone else should recognize such differing techniques, respect and honor their methods, and give encouragement without any hint of criticism or sarcasm. If their conviction, worship or devotion towards the Lord Swaminarayan, Akshar Purushottam, appears to fluctuate them, one can give friendly advice or pray that they should be inspired by the Lord, but should definitely not be malicious or contemptuous. If they appear to be neglecting the rules of Panchavartman, i.e. Nirmani, Nishkami, Nirlobhi, Nirsnehi, Nirswadi, then one can surely forewarn them in a friendly manner. Nevertheless, it should be done in privacy. Otherwise, one should pray that Maharaj grants them the strength required to endure such experiences. One should be careful to sing the praises and glory only if one truly believes and accepts them. If one begins to sing false praises, i.e., where such praises do not really exist, one is participating in insincere flattery and hypocritical behavior. This should not be practiced. Instead, we should sincerely sing the praises according to the degree experienced. One should recognize the sambandh of the devotee with Bapa as his main virtue. That he has been selected by the Lord is ultimately the most important factor. Thus, if one can see his faults, one should try to disregard them. Thus, unity within the Gunati Samaj will be secured. Virtue of a Supreme Being, Brahm. Brahm no Guna. A Brahm Swarup Sant who has attained the spiritual status of a Gunati Swarup will be able to observe the process of the purification of the soul. Therefore, they will be able to accept the Leela and will generally remain silent and watch. They realize that whatever is happening is for the best. Who dares to do anything without the consent and sanction of the Lord? As per the Vachnamrit Gadra Pratham 62, no one has the strength or ability to act without the consent of the Lord. Any marji vinare koithi tarunu nav todai. Thus, if someone's behavior seems improper, a Gunati Swarup would ask themselves the following question: is the person acting independently on a par with Brahm? The Gunati Swarup is certain of the answer, therefore will remain silent and observe the Leela. Whatever circumstances and events arise, others will give their opinions based on their Lokik and Alokik understanding, will make judgments of rights and wrongs, proper and improper, just and unjust, and will act accordingly. In these instances, the Gunati Swarup will ignore and disregard the whole episode. They believe that it is only worth advising them or enlightening them if they are prepared to listen or understand. Thus, these great Swarups will remain silent and watch as though watching a live play. Then they will remain poised, just as Pujya Paduben constantly does, and will ask the Lord, "O Lord, please inspire me. Show me what I should do," and will act as inspired by God and will re-establish the spiritual equanimity, observing the Leela simultaneously.